Conventional manufacturing factories have various problems. Due to outdated facilities, operators cannot quickly figure out and respond to any malfunctioning facilities. And this is why customers have complaints about delayed delivery and defective products. Of course, the CEO agonizes with rising costs and declining sales from increased defect rate and mechanical dysfunctions. These various issues at factories can be resolved with CIMON Smart Factory Solution. CIMON Smart Factory Solution is a factory that makes customized products at minimum cost and time by integrating manufacturing process with ICT technology. With CIMON's HMI device, XPANEL series installed at factories, operators can easily figure out and control the process, and they can manage data of alarm history. Also, industrial panel PC CIMON Touch can reduce facility downtime in various and complicated manufacturing environment. It can monitor the operation of different facilities and various controllers at factories, and use PC applications to respond actively and promptly to malfunctioning facilities. These HMI units are in cooperation with PLC, the most basic controller at factories. CIMON PLC goes beyond basic controlling function and supports various communication drivers optimized to the smart factory, supporting not only commercial networks but also various field networks and OTC UA communication. We provide various communication options for realizing a smart factory as the only Korean PLC manufacturer. Realizing a smart factory, various solutions are required for an integrated system such as integrated monitoring, abnormality analysis, and real-time data saving. CIMON SCADA provides various solutions for creating smart factory based on advanced software technology and decades of customer experience. Data collected by CIMON SCADA with about 500 communication drivers are analyzed by various functions, and it helps user to make decisions. It becomes easier to create a database in ODBC or OLE with those collected data. Also, the user can use the HTML5 platform provided by CIMON SCADA to monitor and analyze the manufacturing site anytime and anywhere using mobile devices. Furthermore, CIMON has developed CIMON Historian DB as first Korean instance for high-speed data collection, analysis, and transfer. CIMON Historian DB makes sure that a great deal of complex data are easily shared via various application platforms without any commercial database platform. Factory facility operators have easy access to real-time data on production facilities and can conduct preventive maintenance activities through facility maintenance and management. This is about creating a solution that improves productivity by reducing factory downtime and increasing factory operating rate. As such, CIMON's Smart Factory Solution reduces defective products and improves work productivity and deadline compliance. Smart Factory strengthens business competitiveness through factory innovation. CIMON is the solution.